And for the last topic in chapter 4, seventh chords. So if we can have thirds stacked, we can also add a seventh on top. So we'd have a root, a third, a fifth, and a seventh. I just kind of played the most famous seventh chord. It really was made famous by the Beatles in Shout, but lately it's in Sing for harmony, 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 harmony. Okay, so let's talk. Seventh chord notation. Be aware that seventh chords are triads with an added third above the fifth, which is a seventh above the root. They also have figures because there's 4 notes in the chord. We're going to have a root position, second inversion, first inversion, second inversion, and third inversion. And they are going to have figures that you have to memorize. Obviously, in a root position chord, we have a third, a fifth, and a seventh above the bass, 7, 5, 3. The common notation is just 7. First inversion, you have a third, a fifth, and a sixth above the bass. The common notation is 6, 5, not 6. 6 is for a triad. 6, 5 is for first inversion of a seventh chord. Second inversion, you have a third, a fourth, and a sixth above the bass. The common notation is 4, 3. 6, 4 is for a triad in second inversion. 4, 3 is for the second inversion of a seventh chord. Third inversion of a seventh chord, you have a second, a fourth, and a sixth above the bass. The common notation is a 4, 4, 2. Included in figured bass, and this is for triads as well, are accidentals, a sharp, a flat, a natural. If you had a 6 with a sharp, just a plain old sharp, that means the third above the bass is altered. If you have a plus, that also means that the sixth above the bass is sharped. You can have a plus, you can have a sharp, you can also see a slash through the number. We will be getting acquainted with all of these different forms of figured bass. Last but not least are the kinds of seventh chords, okay? You do have to memorize these. A major seventh chord, also known as a major major, is a major triad plus a major seventh. Sounds very jazzy. Here's the most popular one. It's a major minor seventh chord, also known as a dominant seventh chord. Very, very, very popular. A minor seventh chord is a minor triad plus a minor seventh. Very jazzy, just like the major. Sorry. Here's the minor. Half diminished seventh chord. Half diminished meaning there's a diminished triad and then there's a minor seventh. Here's the diminished triad. Here's the minor seventh. Fully diminished will be a you'll have a diminished triad plus a diminished seventh. It's very Halloween-like. Half diminished, fully diminished. There we go. I would really just know the major minor dominant. And that concludes chapter 4.